What up y'all, thanks for tuning in to yet another exciting video. In this video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to set up your smartphone as an external monitor to your Zhiyun Weebill Lab Gimbal. But before I kick things off to the tutorial, I would like to mention what are the things that you will be needing in this tutorial. So the things that you will be needing in this tutorial are pretty straightforward, and those are your smartphone, the micro USB cable that came with the gimbal itself, and lastly, your camera. And I do want to mention as well that before you proceed on the tutorial, it is a must that your camera is mounted on the gimbal properly, meaning it has to be balanced and set up properly on the gimbal. If you do not know how to set up or balance your camera on the gimbal, I just made a video on how to do that. I will link the video down in the description below, as well as an info card that will pop up somewhere on your screen. With that being said, let's hop into the tutorial. Set up your camera's USB settings from whatever default settings it is set to PC remote. I would like to mention that in my case, I was only able to test out the Sony a6300 camera to the Zhiyun Weebill Lab Gimbal, and to all other guys who are using any Sony mirrorless cameras such as Sony a6000, a6500, a7 III, whatever it may be, the settings for the USB should all be the same. It is very unfortunate that I am not sure how to do it with Canon cameras or Panasonic, because I don't have any of those cameras within my reach to test them out, but I'm pretty sure it should be pretty straightforward as well. Turn on both your gimbal and your camera, only provided if your camera is mounted properly and balanced on the gimbal. Interface the camera to the gimbal via the micro USB as shown here. I just want to quickly stress that when I interface my camera to the Zhiyun Weebill Lab Gimbal through this micro USB as well, in my experience, is that I plug this end of the micro USB to the camera and this end to the gimbal itself. For some reason, when I tried switching it and plugging the angled micro USB end to the camera and this end to the gimbal, for some reason the USB connection could not be established. I was thinking that maybe most of you guys who are having troubles on setting up your smartphone as an external monitor for your Zhiyun Weebill Lab Gimbal and the camera, it might have been simply because how you guys are connecting or interfacing the camera to the gimbal through this micro USB. So again, just in my experience, I got it to work when I plugged this into the camera and this end to the gimbal. Turn on your Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and open the ZY Play app. Click on the Please Connect Device button. After clicking the connect device, a small screen will prompt that will show you all the available Zhiyun gimbals that you can connect to via Bluetooth. In my case, it is the default name that shows up on the list, and this default name you can actually change it on your own liking when you get into the via touch control system interface. Once connected successfully, click camera if it does not automatically open. Now that you were successfully able to connect via Bluetooth and open the camera, now you are directed to a screen which is now the via touch control system interface. Now this is the screen where you have the full control using your smartphone, controlling and monitoring your camera all through your smartphone. Inside the via touch interface, a prompt will show automatically asking to join the Weebill Lab Wi-Fi. Also, you can do this manually by clicking the Wi-Fi icon on the upper left corner. Wait until the connection is established, then click the button on the upper center of the screen to live preview your camera. You are now using your smartphone as an external monitor. And there you guys have it. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys were able to follow along quite well in that tutorial, and if you guys had any confusions, don't worry, you guys can leave me any questions that you guys might have in the comment section down below, and I will be really happy to actually answer all those questions. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, if you guys have not yet checked the video that I made for setting up / balancing your camera to the gimbal. I will link it in the description below, which is a crucial step in actually setting up your smartphone as an external monitor for this gimbal. And if you guys did learn something on this video, please do not hesitate to show some love by clicking the like button, as well as sharing this video to other people as well. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys have fun with your newly set up external monitor for your new gimbal. And as always, peace.